think they saw and immediately ate out. Oh, they're there.
They have galas.
They have galas.
And
Send their back line.
Reset. Fuck, probably missed.
Run to their
It's
back
B.
line.
Okay, it's B.
Don't clump, don't clump, don't clump.
Use the spot.
Don't clump.
Let them go to the choke, please. Try to stun them. 3, 2, 1, stunning them on the choke. Huge stun on the choke. Gotta go back to reset. Okay, pushing them. Piercing.
Their galas coming.
Stunning their entire backline. Huge backline stun. Huge backline stun.
Their galas coming now. He's stacking Royal Hood.
Stunning, stunning, stunning again, stunning again. I'm gonna go into them again, slowing them. Stunning these guys on the corner south. They're pierced, they're pierced.
I can't see my fucking HP bar.
I have perma for these guys.
Almost stun them.
I'm going back
Stun
for
after
reset.
that.
I'm back for heals.
Perma stun. Perma's recasting right now.
Hammer trying to run at the back.
Okay, I'll chase him. Fucking big shitters.
Don't chase that guy. Don't chase that guy.
No.
Walk him with the group. Walk with the group.
Wobbles,
Walk with the
you
group.
have. Oh wait, who has,
They're dismounted on here.
What about Wobbles?
no. Who the fuck has red light?
I do.
You have Badon?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Yep.
I'm gonna go into
Babies.
this shit. I don't give a fuck.
I got you.
They're stunned. There's a huge stun here. Huge fucking stun.
Massive goal. Having CC.
Go northwest. Push north. Push north. Push north. Go look at east. Look at east. Look at east. I'm almost stunned these guys right here. They're slowed. But kill this guy. Kill Sham Daddy. Kill Sham Daddy, little fucking faggot. Okay, now kill the Siegebow. Kill the Siegebow. Kill this. He's pierced and stunned. He's pierced and stunned. Get loot and back out. Get loot and back out.
Boys here. Get the blaze in that.
Yeah. Get. Go southwest. Come southwest of the thing.
West, 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 west.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. I'm gonna stun this fucker right now. 3, 2, 1. He's done. He's done. He's ice blocked. That's okay. He's gonna get stunned again in 3, 2, 1. He's done.
Sit the fuck down.
There's some north. Careful.
Go south. South. Hard south. Pop your spin south. I'm gonna fucking pop my food here.
They're not following up. That's just his tank. Is just.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
they're.
get
they're
this.
What the fuck? Did someone swap me or something?
No.
They're all mounting
I'm
up.
on the healer right here. They have one healer right here. He's out of position.
They're dismounting.
Okay, rotate west again. We have to rotate west. Rotate west. Rotate west. Oh, we could probably. Oh, that was very bad. Okay, they're gonna engage on this. We can counter engage on this.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit them right here.
Sorry, Cam.
I'm
What?
going all. I'm
Big
in their
miss.
fucking backline. In their fucking backline right now. Huge fucking execute. They're almost fucking dying. Push, 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 push.
Push, push. I don't have Cam up yet, but I'm coming
West.
back for heals. I'm coming
Okay.
back for heals.
Dude, kill this sperm. Look at this sperm.
The Gallus
Trying
is
to get
low.
out.
We need a peel.
Silence again. I have Cam line up. I'm throwing Cam line right here, right here, right here, right here.
I'm low. I'm low. I'm low.
Yeah.
low.
Yeah.
They got bloodletters too.
Oh, you have a reset? Reset?
We're gonna walk southwest.
I got
Walk,
Cam.
walk,
Walk west.
walk,
Walk
walk.
west. Walk west. We only have one healer. Remember.
I can turn on this right here.
Wait. Okay, now try to turn in 3, 2, 1. I'm going in their backline again.
Wait, massive son. Hit that.
They're almost dying. I gotta get out of here.
Alright, you just kite back. I mean, we just
Yeah,
hit him
reset,
in the
reset.
bomb
Get on the
squad.
reset. Get on the reset. Get on the reset.
There's some smiling south. B.
So rotate
We have
west.
B
Rotate
behind
west.
us.
Rotate west. Rotate west.
Full west,
They're
full west.
fucking, they're fucking gankers only. Get these fuckers. Get these fuckers. I'm almost dead. I need a heal.
I just have to stun him in the back.
Yeah.
I have to- it's all good.
My reset is almost up.
I got night homes right here.
Turn on the fucking gankers. Fucking
Devour, we should probably like go north.
rotate west. Just rotate west. Push into the gankers.
They went straight south when they left.
Yeah. Okay. Because that blob got bigger. Northeast.
We're gonna go look back
Oh.
northeast.
Yeah,
or
we're
no?
gonna go back and look northeast to fight.
Hold on, I'm gonna lit up.
Wait for you got
Oh,
three
they
guys.
dismounted. They're dismounted. Everybody look.
Hold on, we're all separate.
You got Jabroni way
I
back
want
there.
these
right now.
guys to push in between.
Jabroni
these
is
two.
out of place. Come here, Jabron.
They're looking for an engage. Watch out.
Let's see spread.
No.
Got Gallows, be careful.
I'm throwing a Camlin.
I'm in it.
Just-
Oh, son, hit that. Ooh.
I'm in the fucking. Oh, they're almost dead. Huge fucking execute.
Yes.
Rotate south. Kill this guy.
Kill the Gallus.
I stunned.
Nice.
Oh, let's go.
Rotate southwest. Pick up and rotate west. Pick up and rotate west.
Okay, ready.
Keep looking.
Did we get the Gallus?
Yeah,
They
well,
went-
the
they
Gallus
went
trash.
straight